Excuse, I look like a state right now, but it's because I'm about to go jump in the shower. Hello guys, welcome back to another vlog, and today I thought I'd vlog for you all because I'm actually meeting Paige, and then we're going up on the hoe for Bonfire night. I'm about to jump in the shower because at 4 o'clock I have got my hair cut. I'll vlog for you all today because I haven't vlogged in a while. If you haven't watched when I went to Super Tramp, link in the description below. Make sure you check out my main channel, link will also be in the description below. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. I'm actually now dressed, as you can see. I've actually been tidying up my room for the last couple of hours, about like an hour or so, and it probably feels like 2 minutes for you all, but probably not even that. Today I wear my blue Nike jumper with my black and white Adidas socks, but when I go to change out these clothes and wear some jeans and my hype coat, it'll be cold later on. But I'm just about to finish off tidying my room, so now let's go and get a fresh trim. I'm now walking to the hairdresser, as you can actually tell, and I'm gonna get like a little shorter on the side and a little shorter at the top. I'm gonna come home, change some jeans like I said I would, get some warmer clothes on because tonight's gonna be cold, and then go meet Paige. Last time I probably vlogged was, oh god. Last time I probably vlogged was when I was at the hairdressers or on the way, but now as you can see I'm on the way to go meet Paige. And yes, it's getting darker. So Paige is meeting me down to Owl Park. And yeah, and then we're going to go up on the hoe. Paige is also vlogging, but I don't know what channel she's putting it on, either a main or a vlogging. Hey Paige!
Hey!
High five phones. Woo! You vlogging?
Yeah.
Hi. I'm now with Paige, as you can see.
Whoa! It's so dark.
Freezing.
1.
Paige is also vlogging, as I said just before.
I'm freezing, guys.
And we're on the way to hers, but I want to try and keep this like.
It feels like minus.
I want to keep it like
degrees.
this because I don't want
It feels
you guys
like
to know where Paige lives. I really don't know if you can see me, but we are actually on the way to the hoe now to watch some fireworks. Hey, oh, I can't see. Thank you. Guys, I'm literally filming back. Paige, I can't see. I'm literally filming backwards so that you can see me because it's that dark. But look, it's pitch black. But we're nearly at the hoe now, and I'll record some bits for you because it's bonfire night. But yeah, it's literally like 5 degrees out here and I'm freezing.
Over. Oh, my mum knows you do YouTube, so
Shall I
why
get
are you just embarrassed? No. Why are you? I'm going to try and what we just rubbed in on a pizza. Right, you ready guys?
No, I still need chicken strips.
So should we do a little dummy run through, right? This is a practice run through of 10.
5, 8, 7, 6,
That's rubbish.
4,
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah!
See that one? 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1.
funniest
We've
Paige
just
you've ever
literally
seen.
got off this ride up on the hill, and now we're walking back, but it's been such a good night with you, Paige.
I'm so cold though.
It's like 3 degrees. It's freezing,
Yeah.
and it's like, what time is it? 8:46, and it's
5 degrees,
freezing.
and I'm freezing, and my hands are literally numb. I can't.
And that
feel my
ride
hands.
went on was so funny.
A little mini guy.
I've literally just got out the shower because I was absolutely freezing up on the hill, but I've now at home, as you can see. I've got my dressing gown and just some old top and some baggy pyjama bottoms with my fluffy socks. Now I'm about to go make my hot chocolate, but I thought I'd end my vlog up here. If you enjoyed today's vlog, don't forget to smash that big thumbs up. And for the time being, before Vlogmas, I'm going to vlog on Saturday, upload it on Sunday, do a vlog on Sunday, upload it on Monday, and that is 5 PM. And don't forget to check out Paige's channels. I'll insert both of the links down below. I will see you guys tomorrow with another vlog. Bye!